Good morning. It's early December. Let's wander down and take a look at where we are on the boat build. Tell you what, it's a bloody nippy morning today. On the floor here are the first bits of my boat. These are the steel sides which will go just below the gunnels, hopefully. Let's go inside. Just come down into down to the boat builders to check out the engine, or at least the outside of it. Here she is. So things are actually moving. Out of interest, while I'm actually down here, there are a couple of boats being built. Behind me there's this wide beam, and in the shed over there the finishing touches are being put to another narrowboat, and then my base plate will be put in there and my build will begin. One thing's for sure, it's damn cold today. A cup of tea would certainly warm me up, I reckon. Let's go and put the kettle on.
I don't like to think about that when I'm living my life.
Cup of tea near the fire, can't beat it.
Almost forget about it, so I can focus on other things that make it worth my living, or even think about getting tired.
You can't beat a bit of fire when it's a cold, chilly December. Bit like being on a boat, I suppose. It's certainly busy down a working boatyard, even if it is brass monkeys outside. Well, this is the narrowboat I was talking about. In a couple of weeks' time, mine should be being built in here. What are you doing here, Pete? Sure, you're going to cut it out, are you?
Yeah, they decided they wanted the cruiser deck. Well, then they want it plated in at back with some doors on, so they keep render pits from water.
Okay. That was a bit of plasma cutting into 4 mil steel. That didn't take long, did it? Now, of course, Pete's doing a bit of grinding. Well, that's just a bit of an update, really. The boat build should start in a couple of weeks' time, just before Christmas, and hopefully it'll be in my hands in the field at the back probably the first or second week in February, and then the hard work from me will begin. That's if there's not too much snow on the ground and I'm not too bone idle to get out of bed, which could be the case.